Pickup pricing is about to undergo its first significant shakeup in decades. Chinese trucks priced around $19,999 are entering the U.S. market, and that single figure is enough to disrupt the entire pricing structure. What's often overlooked is how this number pressures the market, whether buyers act now or later. These trucks break the traditional pricing floor, challenge established brands, and quietly rewrite resale expectations. The Wuling Genu isn't flashy or luxurious. Its impact comes from simplicity executed at scale. It enters the pickup conversation unapologetically and without ornamentation, answering a question legacy brands have avoided for years. How affordable can a real pickup be, when branding, high-tech features, and inflated margins are stripped away? The answer is, honestly, pretty startling. Built on a body-on-frame platform by the SAIC General Motors Wuling partnership, the Genu benefits from manufacturing volumes that American brands envy. Its design is intentionally familiar. A squared front fascia, upright stance and straightforward bed proportions reflect decades of pickup tradition without trying to reinvent the wheel. There are no aggressive lights or sculpted hoods, signaling that money was spent on making the truck functional, not flashy. Flat steel panels and a tall, practical bed emphasize utility over appearance. Mechanically, the truck follows the same logic. A traditional ladder frame ensures durability and easy repairs. Small displacement gasoline engines paired with manual or simple automatic transmissions prioritize reliability and global serviceability over high performance. The Genu isn't meant to top charts, it's designed to work, tow lightly, and handle daily tasks without financial strain. Inside, the cabin is minimal but thoughtfully designed. Physical controls, modest screens, durable materials, upright supportive seats, and practical storage all emphasize longevity and functionality. There's no fragile cost-cutting, just a focus on durability over indulgence. The pricing impact is profound. In its home market, the Genu is priced closer to used trucks than new ones. Even with regulatory and shipping costs, its manufacturing cost remains far below domestic competitors. This reframes every other truck's price. Buyers can't help but wonder, why pay double? The Genu exposes a structural vulnerability in American pickups, which rely on complexity, luxury touches, and layered options to justify high prices. Stripped to essentials, a pickup can still be fully functional, weakening the argument that expensive trucks are inevitable. The T8 Pro approaches disruption differently. It asks, what if a mid-size pickup offers modern comfort, credible performance, and familiar proportions without the high price? The T8 Pro blends practicality with refinement, featuring clean body lines, simple panels, and a balanced design that honestly feels natural in driveways, parking structures, and work sites. Comparisons become unavoidable, and its lower cost really forces buyers to question why competitors charge more. The T8 Pro's powertrains, turbocharged gasoline and diesel engines, deliver usable torque and steady acceleration without chasing inflated numbers. Interiors are modern yet functional, with durable materials, clear displays, and comfortable seating. Safety features meet contemporary standards without overspending on autonomous technology. This balance of style, functionality, and price puts pressure on competitors, forcing them to defend previously untouchable features, trims, and pricing structures. The Chang'an Hunter, also called the Landtop or F70, represents another level of disruption. It is a fully developed mid-size pickup designed to compete with global nameplates that have dominated for decades. Its appearance communicates authority without exaggeration, combining familiar proportions with subtle refinement. The cab and bed balance usability and maneuverability, while body panels and design details emphasize durability and efficiency. The Hunter's body-on-frame platform meets global durability standards, and its design and scale challenge the assumptions of what a mid-size